Place cameras so you can clearly see every part of the playset and sandbox without blind spots. Start by mapping the play area and identifying primary activity zones such as the slide landing, swing arc, and sandbox edges. Mount cameras at a height of 8 to 10 feet to capture children who are small while reducing the chance they will reach or tamper with the device. Tilt the camera down at a 30 to 45 degree angle so faces and movements are visible while keeping the horizon out of frame to reduce backlighting. Choose continuous low bandwidth recording or short motion clips depending on your internet upload capability and storage plan, and test both options to see which maintains reliable footage without dropping frames. Use fixed wide-angle lenses between 80 and 120 degrees rather than narrow zooms to avoid needing frequent adjustments as children move. Schedule a quick walk test after installation and again after 1 week to confirm coverage, adjust exposure for changing daylight, and note any glare or reflective surfaces that cause false motion events. The most common mistake is placing cameras too low where children can touch or obstruct the view. Raise the mount and use a protective casing to prevent interference. Another frequent issue is sun glare during morning or late afternoon, which washes out images. Move the mounting point slightly to change the angle, add a small fixed visor or shield, or adjust exposure settings to compensate. People often rely on a single camera, which leaves blind spots. Add a second unit with overlapping fields of view and staggered heights so you capture both facial details and body movement without gaps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like outdoor play area camera placement, helping us find local installers and resources to plan proper coverage. We host a discussion community where we exchange tips, installation photos, and vendor experiences to help homeowners make informed choices and help contractors find work.